Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by isolating power. Remove the battery pack or AA cells and inspect for corrosion or loose contacts. That often causes a brief power-up then shutdown. Once done, try a known good set of batteries or a charged rechargeable pack and connect the controller to the console with a USB cable. This tells you if wireless power is the issue. Make sure the battery door is seated fully and the contacts click into place so intermittent contact won't cut power. Next, focus on connection and software. Repair the controller by holding the sync button on the Xbox and the controller until LEDs flash. This rebuilds the wireless link, which can stop dropouts. If you can keep it on via USB, update the controller firmware through the console or Xbox accessories app on PC because outdated firmware can trigger power cycling. At the same time, clean battery contacts with 70–90% isopropyl alcohol, and finally, run verification steps to confirm the fix. Test the controller for 30 minutes while wired, then switch to wireless to ensure it no longer powers off. If instability continues, swap to a new battery pack or OEM AA cells. Battery internal faults often mimic power cycling. If that still fails, open the shell only if comfortable and inspect for loose solder, shorted buttons, or a failing power board. Troubleshooting tip: if it turns off under load, suspect a short or failing battery module and replace it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.